So YouTube placed a copyright claim on one of my new videos. Less than 5 hours after I uploaded this video, they put a copyright claim on this video. And to be completely honest, I sort of expected it because I just started a new channel and this will be my very first video, and the industry is kind of prone to stuff like that. It's the football industry, so I know that we have a lot of copyrights flying right there. But then I want to show you in this video how to remove these copyright claims, because even though I never done this before, I've been taking classes about this kind of niches and I am confident that I didn't do anything completely wrong, or I could claim that I was under the fair use cover because it was a reaction video. It was just a simple reaction video, and I've seen people do similar things like that, so I don't think they should have given me a copyright claim. So if you have a copyright claim, I'm just going to show you exactly how you can remove that from the video. And for the purpose of clarity, this is a completely new channel that I just started. This would be my first video, and this video is not even listed. So let me show you. So this is the video right here. As you can see, the video is completely unlisted, and you can see all this navigation that YouTube is giving me because it's a completely new channel. And depending on when you watch this video, I uploaded this video just yesterday. I'm making this video on the 17th of November, and I uploaded this video on the 16th of the same November. So if you come right here, you can see that it says I have a copyright claim. This means somebody or a group of persons are saying I'm using some of their materials without their permission. So I think this is automated, so I'm just going to appeal it. So for you to appeal, you need to select the videos. Like I said, this video is completely unlisted, so it has 0 views, 0 comments, 0 likes, nothing. So I want to appeal this regardless, and let's see what YouTube is going to tell me as somebody who just wants to do this kind of videos. So I come right here where it says see details. I want to see those people who are making these claims that I'm using their items without their permission. So right here, this is a video, and here it says that my channel is not affected. So this doesn't have any negative impact on my channel, and here it shows this video is even still unlisted, and then the content ID claim or your video doesn't affect your channel. So this is not a copyright strike. The channel is completely okay. So right here I can see this video is just about 40 minutes, and then I can see the parts of the video that have been giving these claims. All right, as you can see right here, this is actually from FIFA. You see, we are balling now. I'm dealing directly with FIFA. That's a grand slam, and I'm very proud of this moment that FIFA is putting a copyright claim on my video. I feel really proud about that. So right here you can see this is from different bodies. That's why I have multiple plenty of them right here. Yours might just be from one person and you'll be fine. So this is a football video. So this is from FIFA World Cup in 1974. I wasn't even born then. And this one, the same FIFA World Cup 1970, again I wasn't born then. This was Morocco, AC Milan versus Como. This is the Italian Serie A, and this is Brazil versus Uruguay. I think this should be an international friendly. Okay, no, it's from FIFA again. Okay, it's a matchup. And down here again, FIFA 1970. FIFA doesn't want me to enjoy the beautiful leather game, and this is completely heartbreaking, but still we can appeal this. So we can see all the restrictions. So currently right here it's saying there are no restrictions because this YouTube channel is not monetized. This YouTube channel doesn't have anything. It just has like 4 subscribers, and these subscribers are basically me because I'm subscribing to my own channel using my own emails. Yeah, I know what you're thinking, but you're welcome. You're welcome. So now that's why it's saying that. That's why it says right here that I do not have any restriction. But here again, it says if you become a member of the YouTube partner program, this claim may affect your ability to monetize the video. So we now have all the information we need right here. So we want to go and appeal. Because this is multiple, I'll just come here and then I'll click on actions. So I have the option to just remove the part that has been copyrighted. For instance, right here I just have right here this claim is just between 4 minutes to 4 minutes 42 seconds to this is just about like this is just 8 seconds. 8 seconds of this video was copyrighted, and as you can see them here, they tagged it here for you. They tagged it right here. Let me zoom it in. These are some of, yeah, this is the first copyright, this is the second, this is the third, and then this is the last. So when you come right here, you have the option to just remove that part of the video, just trim it out and be free. If it's a music, like if you have a copyright claim on maybe a music, you can just mute the music entirely or replace the music or the song. But this has nothing to do with any music. All right, this has nothing to do with any music. It's just a part of the video and I could trim it out, but I want to dispute it and see what YouTube is going to do. So if they don't allow me use it, I might just delete it and make a new one. But let's just see what they want to do. So I come here and click on dispute, and right here it says if you own the song or the video, you can use this option. Or if you are not making money from this video, you can use this option. If you say you give credit to the owner, you can use this option. This is, I don't have any business here, so I come right here and I say my dispute isn't based on any of the reasons above, but I still want to open a claim though. I still want to dispute it. So I check this box and then I click continue, and from here you can select what part of the video or what this video contains that you are disputing. All right, so you have to decide, like, why do you think that you want to make this claim? If the content claimed is your own, like you just use this first one. If you have the permission, let's say you have a song from Epidemic Sound and maybe something happened and you still get a copyright claim, you can say I have the permission to use the content. You have the license. So now what I'm using is copyright exception as fair use, because this is a reaction video, so it's basically fair use. And here it says public domain. Let's say you just use this video from a public domain and is no longer protected by copyright. I'm going to use this one and then I click continue. So you are basically going to use what is whatever your content falls under. So right here it gives you some kind of a breakdown of what some of the things you should know before you proceed with this claim. All right, so right here, this is where I fall. I'm right here, fair use. So now I want to say I believe that my video is protected under fair use, fair dealing, or similar exception. So I click continue, and then I want to select the type of reuse. This is a reaction video, so yours can be anything here. So I'm just saying it is a reaction video. So I have to give them some of the things why I think this is an example of copyright. So I'm just going to say this content. So I'm just going to type this out and then I'm going to continue with the video. So yeah, I've written this out. You might just want to write something like, you don't claim ownership of this, blah blah blah. This is a reaction video and stuff like that. So right here you have to check these boxes, and I understand stuff like that. So it says signature required, so you just put the name of your channel as your signature. So it can be your name or whatever the name of your channel is. So I'm just going to name it Switch of play. So, and boom, you now submit your appeal. So this is the appeal. As you can see, it says dispute to be sent to the claimant for review. So YouTube does not review content ID dispute. The claimant has 30 days to review your dispute. If they do not respond within 30 days, the claim will be released automatically. We'll send you an email to let you know the outcome. So this is basically how you remove these copyright claims. Now we are just going to wait for YouTube to send us the outcome.